Dear friends, I am honored to introduce myself as Pradeep Kumar Satpathy, and I am doing efforts to find how we can be valuable for the people in the industry for business solutions. So being an active member of RKMG community, I would like to invite you for a master franchisee and business partner to have a good earning potential for any new members. It is a paid technological platform for professionals who get jobs to build professional network to give advertisements for their products and services with renewal of memberships every year. Members can post or share only professional feeds, posts, video and other professional informations. This business module works on 4 pillars. First point is employability, second for business people, third for individual professionals, and fourth real life education and learning. Our vision is to unite professionals to give them a platform with their efforts, reaching to the maximum number of people who are interested in developing and promoting the business in terms of products and services, and to end with the financial well-being of RKMG members. Our mission is to develop virtual channel sales, inviting people from community who would be able to promote their skills, brand image, products and services, and will have access to employment directly with the employer. In RKMG community, people from all levels of society, a housewife, a businessman, in employment, an educationist or professional, can become a member who would like to have it as a second income source. Money is important for all, and people who join as members can promote their products and services from this platform and can earn a good income, and we assure you that we are not into any multi-level marketing. As master franchisee, earning perspective in RKMG with membership fees of rupees 3,658 inclusive of GST. Point number 1, for making business partners, master franchisee will get from the slab, assuming master franchisee is making 10 business partners 600 rupees each, that will be 6,000. Point number 2 is rupees 200 flat on every member added to the community by business partners. 5%, third point is 5% on renewal of the members. Point 4 is 5% on advertisement of the business brought by the business partners. Point number 5 is 5% on the repeat advertisement in one financial year. Point number 6 is 15% on direct business of the advertisement. Now as business partners earning prospective in RKMG with membership fees of rupees 2,478 inclusive of GST. Point number 1, professional fee for new members depending on the members added to the team. Point number 2, 10% on renewal of the members. Point number 3, 10% to 16% on advertisement. Point number 4 is 10% on the repeat advertisement in one financial year. Now, in order to join, there are 4 steps to work with the RKMG community. You should be 18 plus years of age. You should have either a laptop, computer, smartphone and internet connection along with membership fees. Point number 3, you need to share this information to your near and dear ones for your business promotions. Point number 4, you need to spend few hours to develop your own team in order to promote your business and professions. Finally, please share your WhatsApp number for Zoom meeting with me at 7828463843 or at my email ID is bdmindia2k@gmail.com. Jai Bharat, Indian first.